channel, Jacob and Dad channel here. You can see people walking. It's a beautiful day. Just driving here in Minnesota, the suburbs. Really nice, beautiful day. Right now it's 75 degrees Fahrenheit outside. You can see a bunch of cars to my left. People visiting the lake. There's a lake there called Lake Josephine. It's in the back over there. If this is the first time for you to visit, smash that like button, subscribe, support the work, and come back and watch the playlist. If you subscribe, come back and watch the playlist. I appreciate that. If you give us a like, that helps push this video to more people. Who knows? Your one like may push this video to go viral. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. Continue watching our videos, giving a like, and as always, I ask people to leave comments. You don't have to, but it helps to know your opinion. Maybe you have questions and all that. See, everything is turning green. We still got some trees that they still don't have leaves because it's only in May. Summer will be coming shortly. To my left, it's called Central Park over there, and I play volleyball, a lot of volleyball over there over the years on sand volleyball. Sometimes we'll play 2 people on each side, or sometimes we'll play 4. Once in a while we'll play 6, but 4 is like ideal. Called Central Park. Not sure if you can see that sign right there. It says Central Park. See people playing volleyball on grass. It's a nice park. They have a trail. You can come ride the bike or you can walk. Central Park in Roseville, Minnesota. Highway is called Highway 36. so much for joining. My exit is over here, Rice Street. That's a short drive. Roseville, Minnesota to St. Paul. Hope you're having a good day, night, whatever morning, whatever time you're watching this video. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. If you want, it's free. That's how you support us. You can come back and watch more videos. Take care of yourself, stay safe. And we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.